In today's video, I'm going to teach you tools and strategy setup. We'll walk through a clear, repeatable process for building a keyword strategy that attracts the right visitors and turns them into customers. You'll use 4 tools working together: Moz, SpyFu, Google Keyword Planner, and ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know how to find the best opportunities, plan content with intent in mind, and keep improving over time. First, set up your toolkit and strategy. Open Moz, SpyFu, and Google Keyword Planner, and have ChatGPT ready. Identify 3 to 5 main competitors in your niche, the brands that consistently rank where you want to appear. Define your target audience, the primary locations you serve, and the search intent you care about, whether people are researching, comparing, or ready to buy. Throughout this process, keep your focus on keywords that drive real traffic and conversions, not just vanity terms. Next, extract competitor keywords. In Moz, look up each competitor and find their top-ranking organic keywords. Note which terms bring steady traffic to their important pages. Then switch to SpyFu to analyze both SEO and paid keywords. Paid terms often signal high commercial intent, so they're great clues. From these lists, highlight keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't. Prioritize medium difficulty terms with high intent, phrases that include commercial modifiers like pricing, buy, compare, demo, or near me, because they're more likely to convert without requiring massive domain authority. Now validate and expand your list. Use Google Keyword Planner to check search volume and CPC. Volume confirms demand. CPC helps indicate commercial value. While validating, discover long-tail variations, longer, more specific phrases that reflect how real users search. Group your keywords by intent: informational for learning, commercial for evaluation, and transactional for purchase-ready searches. Prioritize those with clear buyer intent while keeping a healthy mix to support the full customer journey. With a refined list, organize and optimize using ChatGPT. Feed in your keywords and ask for logical clusters by topic. Have it generate content ideas, blog titles, and outlines tailored to each cluster and intent. Ask it to identify keyword gaps, terms your competitors cover that you've missed, and surface content opportunities. From this, build a structured content plan that maps topics to pages and targets specific keywords for SEO growth. Finally, track, improve, and scale. Monitor rankings and traffic regularly. Look for pages sitting on pages 2 or 3 of search results and optimize them for quick wins. Tighten titles, refine headers, add missing sections, and align content more closely with intent. Update content to stay competitive. When a keyword or topic performs well, scale it into more content and campaigns to amplify results.